Hello guys, my name is Mira Silvia Hutabarat from SI-3E and I want to explain about the problem of clean water availability. Clean water is a basic need for human life. For this reason, the criteria for meeting the need for clean water for certain communities become a reference in determining whether the community in a location or village is quite prosperous or not. Water provides many great benefits for human life or other living things. The limited amount of raw water that can be utilized by humans is a problem that must be addressed immediately. The increase in population will also affect the increase in clean water consumption. Therefore, good management of water resources is needed to be able to utilize as little water as possible. Some of the main problems that are still being faced in the provision of clean water in Indonesia include the problem of the low level of clean water service, problem with the availability and quality of water in the rainy and dry season, as well as possible with water availability of clean water. Technology used for treatment processes that are not suitable for water condition. Raw materials whose quality tends to decline. I will discuss the issue of water availability and quality in the rainy and dry season. Every dry season, there is always a drought problem that hit Indonesia. One of the provinces experiencing drought in the past month is Central Java. Drought hit 9 sub-districts covering 530 villages. This drought often occurs even during the normal dry season for some areas such as Nusa Tenggara. This water crisis is often considered not a crucial problem, even though this water crisis has the potential to cause extraordinary conflict in the future, especially for residents on the island of Java and Bali. Control efforts to overcome the problem of the water crisis are also still being carried out with an asymptomatic approach with instant style. In time of drought, the only solution is to distribute clean water through water tanks, provide pumps, water, and repair irrigation network. In the dry season, river flow tends to be very low, causing new problems such as seawater intrusion, water crisis, and conflict with other users such as for agriculture. Not only quantity but also in terms of quality has decreased. Based on data from the Ministry of Research and Technology, around 70% of PDAM in Indonesia experienced a decline in water quality. To overcome this, one of the technologies that need to be developed is the Natural Treatment Plant or NTP. I will explain about the NTP system. Our country is a country with a tropical climate, so do not be surprised if we will experience a rainy season and a dry season. So, sometimes we have difficulty getting clean water, so that our government does the processing of raw materials from water springs that flow into rivers. Where the river has been polluted by agricultural, domestic, industrial waste, garbage until it is brown and smells, then the raw water is taken, processed, distributed, and consumed by the community. With the decline in the quality and quantity of the Great River water, the operational cost will be higher. This will have an impact on the higher cost charged to consumers. Then, by utilizing rainwater and springs, this can reduce costs. By collecting rainwater and spring water in a tank and then connecting it with a pipe that will distribute to the community. NTP is large-scale or massive, which tap water directly from underground aquifers and distribute it downstream. Aquifer layers in mountains areas are excavated or perforated with underground pipes and tunnels. In the tunnel, a hole is provided for the entry of groundwater for its collection like an ordinary well. This technique does not require chemical and is not a core distribution pump because the reservoir is located at a higher elevation. Okay, that's all my explanation. I hope it's useful for everyone and thanks for watching.